Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update. Then let's scroll down and find developer options, and if you do not have developer options in your device, no worries, you have to activate it. So go to the About phone, go to the version and keep tapping on the version number. Basically the whole tutorial is on our channel regarding entering the developer options. So let's open them, and here we have to scroll and find automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.